You need to check a dimension on this CAD drawing, but you don't have AutoCAD. Good news. DXF is an open format, so plenty of free tools can open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is my favorite one. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful DXF inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. The core identity of the DXF file is rooted in the 3D CAD file specification. It's technically governed by the Drawing Exchange file format. The DXF Drawing Exchange format. File is an open standard CAD data file used to exchange 2D and 3D geometric data between various CAD programs. It is a text-based ASCII file that contains layers, objects, and coordinate definitions. Developed by Autodesk, the format is maintained as an open standard. The design rules are focused on maximum interoperability. Its integrity relies on strict adherence to the DXF header, tables, and entity sections. Any deviation from this documented ASCII structure will cause the receiving CAD program, like Adobe Illustrator CC, to fail reading the file. The official utility recommended for the DXF file is Autodesk AutoCAD by Autodesk, Inc. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows won't show design constraints or components, so full detail requires CAD-specific tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking your DXF file and choosing Open With. Try Autodesk AutoCAD first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If your DXF file will not open, do not worry. Dealing with a truly persistent DXF file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, check version compatibility. Confirm that your version of the CAD program, e.g. AutoCAD Illustrator, can import files from the version of AutoCAD used to create the .dxf file. Next, explode and simplify. If the file fails to import, try opening it in the Creator program, explode all entities, and remove unnecessary content before re-exporting. Finally, use a simple viewer. If you only need to view the drawing, use a simple, lean solution like A360 Viewer or the free Scan to CAD to bypass complex import issues. When your system couldn't open the DXF file after multiple attempts, it's clear a more advanced tool is required. The recommended software provides the most reliable path forward. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the DXF file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes. I hope your file is working now.